Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi paidbah subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinigilongi khubor bamta kasngi. Katanat pulit ka jila ha ka jingyalam jong Dr. L.R. Bishnoi DGP IPS kalashim ya ka sinjam bante lakam ya ka jingshynniah ha ka jila baro kawai. Shu DGP ulayathu bakatanat pulit menta kan thungkam pulit hadu lai hajar ngun bar kan nong ka history ha ka jila Meghalaya ha ka bapinsngau shakilat pathai khubor hadin ka jingyalang jongki he pulit baro ka jila kablalong ha headquarter men ha ka santrik ulber. USP Francis Kharshiying habayathu bakatanat pulit kan pelat ya kathup thep kam pulit ha kini kisngi banwan kumju on pelat ha website portal. Ha kawi kalyang ha kabiya day bat ka jingdon ki sengking atiar ka Deputy Inspector General of Police TAP kong Claudia Lingwa ka penpau ba ka jingkhang kadang pli banya kranisung bat ka sengking atiar kabla sha khen be an ka Hindu Tribe National Liberation Council HNLC ha ba pentip ba ka jingkem ya UPSO ka HNLC ka de halor ki kam dawa pisa. Ka DIG kalamahami ki paidbah ki banok senyang syaka HNLC namar ha kabakod hi kinsya pengat ha ki kendon at.
Ensuring transparency in the recruitment, we have hired a private firm where all the tests will be conducted and the CCTV will be installed in the grounds and the chips will be installed to the candidates and immediately timing will be shown in the computers and at the end of the day every candidate appeared in the recruitment will be given mark sheet and they will know immediately how much is their score and depending on that they can calculate that whether I will qualify or not. So this is the one mechanism and the private firm will install all the electronic gadgets in the recruitment ground. Absolutely there will be transparency and absolutely there is no scope of any manipulation in this procedure. So this we call it TRP, Transparent Recruitment Procedure. So this TRP, if you are willing, we can invite you during the recruitment also and you can see with your own eyes how the recruitment is going on, where everything is transparent. So we will ensure 100% transparency and the candidates will be selected only and only on the basis of the merit. And this, the applications app will be opened from the 1st April. Their application receipt will start. And once all the candidates will apply, after that, their centers and admit card and will be issued subsequently. So maybe after election, the recruitment process will be in full swing and you are welcome to visit the recruitment centers and see how the procedure is going on. So this is regarding the recruitment and this will be the largest recruitment in the history of the Meghalaya police. Nowhere earlier 3,100 people were taken at one go in recruitment, further strengthened by more than 3,000 people. I cannot guess. As per the input received, so far the 6 youth were associated with the GNLA R group. Okay? GNLA R group came into our notice after the Facebook post on probably 7th February 2024. And out of those 6 youth, 3 were already arrested. Other 3 are already identified. They are absconding. So we will not allow any illegal activities by any groups. That much I can say.
Any political backing to this group?
Difficult to say. I don't think so. Because mostly their aim, some vested interest youth are there. Their main aim is to extort money and to go for quick buck, overnight. All those things are there in their mind. So probably they thought that if some organization is formed, then it will become easy for them. The North Garohi and the West Garohi. Only from these 2 districts, the 6 names cropped up out of the 3 already arrested, and we got the input that mainly, initially, these 2 districts were there.
4 inspectors, 6 sub-inspectors and 10 constables. Now this is the core team which is going to all districts. Every district is supposed to have a cybercrime cell of this. Almost all districts have, I think, save for 1 or 2, but all of them are in the formative stage And I'm telling you, cybercrime is not that you once you form up a cybercrime wing, it remains there. It's every day. It's a learning process. The criminals are ingenious criminals. Every day they're learning new things and all that. Modus operandi is different. So we are on our toes and all that, trying to study what is their modus operandi. Also coordinating with other districts, other units, central agencies. So this is something which is actually in a formative stage. But we will get there. Yeah.